Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like this look, please keep on watching and like and subscribe and comment down below. To outline my face, I'll be using the Dulce blue eyeliner pencil in the shade 912 charcoal. For my face, I'm going to be applying this white cream makeup, which I am using is from Bare Minerals, and it's a foundation brush. First time using this cream makeup, I noticed that it cracks once it dries down. Palette I'll be using is from Pure Cosmetics, and it's the Midnight Masquerade palette. The shade I'm going to be using is called Reveal.
I met this 6-year-old.
The next palette I'll be using is from BH Cosmetics, and it's Take Me Back to Brazil. Now I'll be applying this darker shade on the outer corner. The next shade I'll be applying is called Disguise.
The dead will walk here.
Going back with the purple shade on the outer corner. For the liner, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I'm going to be blending in the outer corner to smoke it out. For glitter, I'll be using the J-Cat Iris Indigo and the Nabi Purple. Going back with the Dulce blue eyeliner, I'll be outlining the rest of my face. Going back with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'll be using the purple shade. As I am applying the eyeshadow on top of the cream makeup, I found it a little bit hard to blend, so I had to add a lot of eyeshadow to it. To darken the black, I'll be using the Wet n Wild paint pot.
Are a worthless, greedy lot. Turn the slide.
Now I'm going to be applying this pink shade over the purple. The brush I am using is from Wet n Wild. I'll be applying the same glitter I applied on my eye. I'll be applying the Kiss Me in the shade Soulmate on half of my lip.
A dream. Nothing exists save empty space, and you are but a thought.
The brush I am using is from Aesthetica, and it's an eyeliner brush.
child, this blank, pale, emotionless face with blackest eyes.
Now I'll be using Sneak Peek as my transition.
When there is no
Next shade I'll be applying is called Hidden Secret. Going back with Sneak Peek, and I'll be applying it on the outer corner. To cut my crease, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Ivory. Next shade I'll be applying is called Twilight. Going back with the shade Sneak Peek on the outer corner. Glitter I'll be using is from J-Cat, and it's in the shade Ultra Pink. Now I'm going to be adding the J-Cat in the shade Champagne Kiss. Foundation I'll be using is from Maybelline New York Superstay, and it's in the shade Classic Ivory. For my face, I'll be using the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. For blush, I'll be using the shade Hidden Secret. For highlight, I'll be using the shade Twilight. I'm going to be applying the shade Sneak Peek under my lash line. For mascara, I'll be using the It Cosmetics Superhero.
even though you are a worthless, greedy lot.
Applying the Mink 3D lashes off camera. For the other half of the lip, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Goth Topic. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed, and please like and subscribe and comment down below of what your thoughts were about this tutorial, and thanks for watching.